When you have homework, use Gale In Context Middle School to find authoritative sources that are sure to impress. Click for fast access to frequently studied topics. Browse all issues, or choose a category. Assess your interest in the topic. Learn more with additional reference overviews. Engage with multimedia coverage. Multiple source types and recent coverage strengthen your understanding. Click to add limiters. And view sources. Save useful results. Start your works cited with the included citation, or use the Cite tool to cite in MLA, APA, or Chicago format.